One of them, I keep both there.
Oh, okay. Well, there's 4 of them on there. Looks like some kind of little funky multi-tool with a...
It is a tool of some sort.
Boomerang Tool Company.
There you go. You got it.
I guess got a little pair of scissors and... Come on, firearm. But I'm serious, you watch these videos, everybody's pulling up eating utensils. They pulled up spoons and knives. Rarely you see any forks. I guess forks have fallen by the wayside for use anymore. I love these idiots that have all them salt life stickers. It's like, you should have brackish life. It just, monkey see, monkey do.